Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Elements and Compound, Part-1, Video Lecture 1. So first we will talk about the Islamic indication, the knowledge we are getting from Quran. See ye not how Allah has created the seven heavens on one above another, and made the moon a light in their midst, and made the sun as the glorious lamp. So dear student, we have a topic, what is an element? An element is a substance which cannot be broken into simpler substance with a chemical reaction. Here you can see germanium is given, molybdenum, titanium, zinc, aluminium, calcium, carbon, barium, iodine, sodium. Now we'll talk about the model of a water. A model below represents water. Is water made up of a simpler matter? A model of water above can be broken down into simpler units represented by the colored ball. The red ball represents a simple substance called oxygen, and the white ball represents hydrogen. These two simple substances combine to form the more complex matter, water. However, the individual substance, hydrogen and oxygen, cannot be broken down into simple substance by the chemical substance processes in which new substances are formed. Breaking down water. The substances that make up water, oxygen and hydrogen, are elements. So is water is an element. For a long time people thought so. However, scientists later discovered that water can be broken down into simpler substance by passing an electric current through it. It is a chemical process called electrolysis. Thus, water is not an element. Composition of Earth and human body. The most abundant element in our universe is hydrogen, followed by helium. What are the two most abundant elements by mass in the earth crust is the human body. Here we are going to study the two pie chart below. One is having a composition by mass of the earth crust, and one is composition by mass of the human body. Oxygen, silicon, aluminium, iron, calcium, sodium, potassium, magnesium and others are present in the earth crust. And composition by mass on the human body, the element which is present in a human body: oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium, all others. Now we'll talk about the chemical symbol. Each element is given a name and a chemical symbol. The name of an element may be different by different languages. However, its chemical symbol is the same throughout the world, and it is recognized internationally. The below show the names and the chemical symbol of some common element. Study the table. What are the relationship between the names and the chemical symbol? We have given you a complete formation regarding name of the element, chemical symbol, name of element and chemical symbol. So first, the name of the element, aluminium, and its chemical symbol is Al. Calcium, Ca. We know that the first letter will be capital and second letter will be small. Carbon, only C, capital. Chlorine, Cl. Cobalt, Co. Copper, cuprum, that is Cu. Helium, He. Hydrogen, H. Iodine, I. Iron, ferrum, Fe. Magnesium, Mg. Nitrogen, N. Oxygen, O. Sodium, Na, that is natrium. Sulfur, S. Silver, that is argentum, Ag. Tungsten, wolfram, W. And zinc stand as a Zn. Now we will talk about the classifying elements. Here's a question. Look carefully at the three elements shown below. How are they different in their appearance and physical state? So we can see that one, we have a lead, mercury, chlorine. So metal and non-metal. Elements can be divided into metal and non-metal. You can see the gold, silver, copper, aluminium. And non-metal we have diamond, carbon, bromine, sulfur. Now we'll talk about the properties of metal. The general properties of metal: they have a shiny appearance, high densities, high melting and boiling point, good conductors of heat and electricity, ductile, can be drawn into wires, malleable, can be beaten into shapes. Now we talk about the properties of non-metal. The general properties of non-metal: they are dull in appearance, low densities, a low melting and boiling point, poor conductors of heat and electricity, non-ductile and non-malleable. Jazakallah for today. So once again we will come to you with another exciting video. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.